Hello, everyone. My name's John. I'm very happy that every one of you around the world is going to learn English tenses with me. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to use not in the simple present tense. What does it mean by that? It means do not, does not, is not, am not, are not. Are you ready to learn? Let's start with a short story. He's not happy. In English, sometimes instead of saying, for example, he's not, we shorten it or contract it and say, he isn't. He isn't happy. So why do we use short form? Usually it's faster, it's easier, and we use it a lot in informal conversation and also in informal writing. We do not usually use contractions like this in formal business writing or in academic writing, like doing writing in your school exam, but we use them a lot on everyday basis. How did it happen? We took away the O and put an apostrophe where we took away the letter O and we joined those words together. He is not becomes he isn't. She is not happy. We typically use short form in our everyday speech. First of all, we take away the letter O and put an apostrophe where we took away the letter O and we join those two words together. She is not becomes she isn't. It is not happy. Again, we typically use short form in our daily speech. We take away the letter O, put an apostrophe. It is not becomes it isn't. It isn't happy. I am not happy. So we can do the same thing. Instead of saying I am not, we can shorten it or contract it. In one way only, we take away the letter A. I am not becomes I'm not. I'm not happy. They are not happy. They aren't happy. We are not happy. We aren't happy. Why are they not happy in life? Let's take a closer look at them. What happened to them? He does not tidy his room. He doesn't tidy his room. She does not do housework. She doesn't do housework. They do not help at home. They don't help at home. It does not clean itself. It doesn't clean itself. We do not say please to people. We don't say please to people. Now, do you know how to form negative sentences in the simple present tense? You're right. We've learned how to use do not and does not to show something that do not happen. We have also learned how to use is not, am not, are not to describe people with some adjectives like happy, lazy, and so on. For the simple present negative, we use do not or don't. After I, you, we, they, we use does not or doesn't. After he, she, it. Remember, we use the base forms of the verb after both do not and does not. We don't need to change the form of the verbs after do not and does not. You can say it after me. I do not help at home. You don't help at home. We do not help at home. They don't help at home. He does not help at home. She doesn't help at home. It does not help at home. It doesn't help at home. We use am not after I. We use are not or aren't after you, we, they. We use it's not or isn't after he, she, it. Let's repeat together. I'm not lazy. Or I'm not lazy. You're not lazy. We aren't lazy. They are not lazy. They aren't lazy. He's not lazy. She isn't lazy. It is not lazy. It isn't lazy. Let's come back to the story. They don't have a happy life because they don't do the right things. Who can help them? Wow, here comes the fairy. She helps them change their habits. I do not tell lies. I don't tell lies. We do not say rude words. We don't say rude words. He does not go to bed late. He doesn't go to bed late. He's not lazy. He isn't lazy. I'm not rude. I'm not rude. We are not rude. We aren't rude. It is not dirty. It isn't dirty. Wow, they have a happy life because they have good habits. Quiz time. Are you ready? Jane and Emma not go to bed late. What is the correct answer? That's right. Do not go or don't go. Jane and Emma don't go to bed late. Amy not say rude words. What is the correct answer? Great job! Does not say or doesn't say. Amy does not say rude words. Amy doesn't say rude words. I not tell lies. Well done. Do not tell or don't tell. I don't tell lies. I do not tell lies. Calvin not be lazy. What is the correct answer? Well done. Is not or isn't. Calvin isn't lazy. Calvin is not lazy. Max and Lily not be rude. What is the correct answer? Amazing. Are not or aren't. Max and Lily aren't rude. Max and Lily are not rude. Meow. I not be sad. What is the correct answer? You're right. I'm not. I'm not sad. Meow. Yeah, everyone has a happy life. Amazing, you got it. See you next lesson.